Good girl, Pixie. They all trying to play with you. They think you look so cute in your new little sweater. Yeah. Okay, hold on, Dobby. I'm coming. Ready for your sweater? You ready? Yeah? Look at Lila's new sweater. Say, I look good in red. Yeah. You sure do. Yes, you do. Okay, Ranger, you ready? What's this? Is that a new sweater for you to wear outside? Yeah, what is that? You done sniffing it? Okay. Good job, Ranger. You got your sweater on. It looks so good. You look so good in your sweater. Yeah. Okay, what do you say? You ready for a coat? You ready for a coat? Yeah, you want to wear the coat, Rusty? Yeah? You don't like the cold either, do you, babies? Yeah? Okay, let's get it on you. Let's get it on you. Okay, Rusty's ready to go outdoors. Good, Rusty. Got your coat on. Let's get one for Ranger. What is that? What is that? Huh? You want to put that on? I think it might be a little small on you, but let's give it a shot. Okay, Ranger. It's a little snug, but it seems to fit you. Sort of, kind of. Oh, wait, we forgot a part. Let's see if we can get that part. Oh, that's going to be a little snug. Oh, no. There we go. We got it now. Yeah. Good job, Range. Now that you got your not so hard sweat on. Yeah. Okay, let's do it. Let's get you dressed. Good job, Monty. It's a little snug, but not too bad. It fits pretty good, actually. He's ready to go in his new coat. Ready to go outside in his new digs. Looking good, little man. Okay, where's Pixie girl? Where's my Pixie? There she is. What's that? What is that? Is that a leather coat just for you? A leather fur-lined coat? Wow, you get the fancy wear. Good job, Lola. Or Lola, Pixie. Thinking of you, Lola. Good job, Pixie. Good job. She got a new fur coat on? Yeah, she looks like she's ready to go outside. Play with the snow. I hate it, too. Okay, I know you're next. See, this is why I waited till last to suit you two up. You get too excited. Too excited. Stubby, what is this? Where are you going? Where do you think you're going? That's your coat. You ready to put your coat on? Huh? You ready to put your coat on? I'm gonna get it. Yes, I am. Dharma's ready for his coat, huh? Yes. You ready for that? What is that? You gonna get it? You gonna get it on? Yeah. Good job. Good job, little buddy. You gonna wear that coat? Okay, let's do it. Okay, Dharma and Dobby, you guys ready? You're all suited up? Yes. Everybody's suited up and ready to go? Yes. Is he checking you out, Lila? Yes. You ready, Monty? Okay, we can go outside. Let me get suited up. I'm gonna get suited up and then we're gonna go. Yeah. All right, let's remove the drift blocker towel. Okay. You guys ready for this? I'm not getting very far. All right, go on. I gotta put on my other glove. I'll be right there. Good job, Dobby. You getting your zoomies? Go ahead, Pixie. Go ahead. Where are you going? You don't want to go that way, Dharma. You'll be buried. Where are you going to go, Lila? You can go down the steps now. I haven't gotten anything else cleared off yet, baby. Where'd you go, Pixie? Don't get stuck up in there. I can't rescue you up in there. She's like, oh. You looking for a place to go potty? Oh, baby. She's trying to find a place to go poopy. It's so snowy. There's so much snow everywhere. Dharma gave up. And he just went poopy right there. this space that I cleared for him. Half the crew's already back inside because it's too snowy out here except for Dobby. He's ready to play in it. You ready to play in the snow? Yes. I know you are crazy. You love it, don't you? Yes. What do you say, Lila? The snow's almost as tall as you, isn't it, honey? I know, it's crazy. It's taller than you, Dobby. He loves the snow. He says, come by, guys, let's play in the snow. You want to play in the snow? I know. Yeah, but it's pretty deep, too. Yes. You doing your snow dance? You got this snow dance, a cute little snow dance for us? All right. Get him, Lila. Get him, Lila. Get him, Lila. Get him, girl. Get him. Get him, Lila. Get him. Get her, Dobby. Get her. Yeah, good job. Go, Lila. Where'd you go, Lila? She's hiding behind the bush. She's hiding. Oh, he says, I'm not going to be afraid to come get you. Cuties, you guys are so cute. You going to get in that deep snow? Crazy boy. Is your paw getting frozen, Lila? She's playing, Dharma. Be nice. You're good. You're good, buddy. You're good. You're good. Easy, Lila. Good girl. You're good, Dobby. Or Dharma. Good job. Good job, Dobby. Look at that snow face. Look at that cute little snow face. What do you say? Okay, let's get back.